Hello, welcome to FarmztoFamiliez channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you the perfect noodles. This is a Burmese inspired mixed millet burnt garlic noodles. These noodles turned out perfect. Mixed millets are a great source of antioxidants and they are incredibly low in calorie. FarmztoFamiliez millet noodles can be ordered on the WhatsApp number, which will be delivered to your doorstep, or you can visit us on our website to order our range of products. We deliver all our freshly prepared batters, baked goodies, noodles, and snacks to your doorstep. Do visit us on our website or contact the WhatsApp number for more information. These mixed millet noodles cook in a jiffy and they also come with a taste make packet. All the ingredients in this noodles are 100% natural and they do not contain any sort of preservatives. I'll start preparing the noodles first. We have boiled a pot of water. We'll be directly adding the noodles. We'll stir it occasionally. We need to cook this on low to medium flame. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook. Once your noodles are tender, remove it from the flame, drain it, and reserve it in a bowl. Now the ingredients are laid out for this recipe. We have boiled and reserved the noodles. We'll be using julienne carrots, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped spring onion, finely chopped garlic and ginger, slit green chilies and lime. We'll also be using fried onions, dried red chilies, the masala powder which came in the noodles, fried garlic, and fried peanuts. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video or will be mentioned on the screen. The links to our website, contact information to order our noodles will be listed in the description box below this video. We have heated a pan on medium flame. To the pan, we'll be adding sesame oil. Once the sesame oil has heated and started to smoke, I've added the dried red chilies. We'll fry the dried red chilies on low to medium flame. Once the dried red chilies have fried, it will turn into light amber color. That is when we'll add the chopped ginger and garlic. We'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor has reduced. We'll add the slit green chilies and the carrot which is chopped into juliennes. We'll also be adding finely chopped coriander. We'll fry all the ingredients. Carrots cook for a longer period of time, so I'm going to stir fry the carrots till it's tender. Once the carrots have cooked, we'll be adding the cabbage. We'll fry the cabbage along with the carrots. Once the vegetables have cooked to the desired consistency, we'll be adding the fried garlic, we'll also be adding the fried onion, the masala powder or the taste maker, fried peanuts, and salt as per taste. We'll fry all the ingredients. Now we have added the noodles in small batches and combined with the vegetable. With gentle hands, mix the noodles and stir fry on low to medium flame. The vegetables and the masala are well combined in the noodles. We'll be adding finely chopped spring onion and finely chopped coriander to finish the noodles. We'll also add few drops of lime juice. Stir fry the noodles for another 5 more minutes and serve the noodles as hot as possible. These noodles can be eaten as it is and enjoyed for lunch or dinner. To order mixed millet noodles, baked goodies and freshly prepared batters, do contact us on the WhatsApp number given in the screen or visit us on our website for more information. All the links to our website, our WhatsApp information will be listed in the description box below this video. Do follow us on our Instagram and Facebook. The links to our social media will also be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.